Divisibility rule of 2. Today let us learn the divisibility rule of 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2? Divisibility rule of 2 tells that whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. What is divisible means? Now let us check what is divisible means with small example. Now I am taking two numbers. I am taking small numbers so that you can understand. I am taking two numbers 12 and 15. Okay, and I am dividing them by 2. If I divide 12 by 2, okay, do I get 12 in the 2 table? Yes, 2 6 are 12. Okay, what is the remainder? It is 0. Now I am again dividing 15 also by 2. Do I get 15 in 2 table? No. What is the number less than 15 in 2 table? 2 7s are 14. Okay, what is the remainder? 1. So now you can observe that when I had divided 12 by 2, I got the remainder as 0, and when I had divided 15 by 2, I did not get the remainder as 0. Okay, so when we divide a number by 2 and we get the remainder 0, then that number is divisible by 2. And when we divide a number by 2 and we don't get the remainder as 0, then we say that the number is not divisible by 2. So now you can say that here 12 is divisible by 2 and 15 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so when we take bigger numbers, it is not always easy to divide and check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not. So for that we are having a simple rule called divisibility rule of 2, which tells us that directly by seeing the number you can tell that whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So for that what you have to check? You have to check the last digit of the number. The last digit of the number should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, it should be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. That means the number should be an even number. Okay, if the number is an even number, then that number is divisible by 2. So simply we can say that if the number is even number, then it is divisible by 2, and if it is not even number, then it is not divisible by 2. Now let us see two examples. Now I am taking a number 235. In 235, just check the last digit. Last digit is 5. 5 is not an even number, right? Therefore 235 is not divisible by 2. And one more example I am taking. I am taking 762. 762. In 762, what is the last digit? Last digit is 2. 2 is an even number. Therefore 762 is a divisible by 2. So just by seeing the last digit, we can say that whether a number is divisible by 2 or not.